buddies. Everything's fine over there. You're gonna get your turn, don't worry. That better not be another hole in my shirt. Wolfie, what are you doing with my pajamas? Why would you want to play with those? They smell. Why do you want to play with my pajamas?